Struggling with privacy issues and harsh sunlight streaming through your sliding glass doors? I've found the 5 blinds for sliding glass doors that actually solve these problems effectively. Our extensive testing process, which includes light-blocking measurements and real-world installation trials over several months, has revealed exactly which blinds for sliding glass doors offer the best combination of privacy, light control, and value. Each option has unique features that could be perfect for your specific door size and decor needs. So make sure to watch the complete list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Here we go. Starting off, we have the GoDear Design Adjustable Panel Track Blinds. And what caught my attention was how they solve the biggest challenge with sliding glass doors, finding something that actually fits properly. The track adjusts from 45 to 86 inches wide, so you're not stuck trying to squeeze standard blinds into an oversized opening. What I really appreciate about these is the 4 fabric panels that slide smoothly on the track system. Each panel is 23 inches wide and 96 inches tall, giving you plenty of coverage for most standard doors. The natural woven fabric has a nice textured look that feels more upscale than typical vinyl blinds, and it filters light beautifully while still maintaining your privacy during the day. The cordless design is a huge win if you have kids or pets around. You control everything with a solid metal wand that's over 40 inches long, and the panels stack neatly to either side when you want the door open. Additionally, the installation process is surprisingly straightforward. Everything mounts with the included hardware, and you can attach it to either the wall or ceiling, depending on your setup. What's even better is that you can trim the panel height to fit your exact door size. The panels attach with hook and loop fasteners, making adjustments simple without needing special tools. The white backing gives a clean look from the outside too. However, keep in mind these are light filtering, not blackout. So if you need complete room darkening, you might want to consider other options. What really convinced me was how these give you that modern panel look without the custom price tag. One consideration is that the track will be visible unless you add a valance. But honestly, the clean lines work well with most contemporary decor styles. You'll find the link in the description. Next up is the CHICOLOGY woven gray vertical blinds. And what impressed me right away was how they tackle both light control and privacy in one solution. The adjustable track stretches from 46 to 86 inches, giving you flexibility for different door sizes, but what sets these apart is the blackout capability. They block up to 99% of light. The 4-rail track system works smoothly, and I appreciate how the polyester fabric roll can be trimmed to your exact height needs, up to 96 inches. Unlike the light filtering option we just saw, these are designed for people who need serious light blocking, whether you're trying to darken a bedroom or create privacy in your living space. What's clever about this design is the versatility. You're not just getting door coverage. These work as room dividers or even closet covers when you need to section off spaces. The thermal insulation properties are a nice bonus too, potentially helping with energy costs by keeping heat in during winter and out during summer. Installation gives you options with both wall and ceiling mounting hardware included. The woven gray fabric has a sophisticated look that works with most decor styles, and cleaning is straightforward with just a duster or soft brush vacuum attachment. What really convinced me was the combination of functionality and style. You get blackout performance without sacrificing aesthetics. One consideration is that some users mention the assembly process can be a bit time-consuming, so plan accordingly when you're setting these up. You'll find the link in the description. Next up is the AJAZZ Blackout Accordion doorway curtains, and what caught my eye was the unique accordion folding design. That's completely different from the panel systems we just looked at. This isn't your typical sliding setup. Instead, you get a single curtain that folds neatly like an accordion, making it perfect for spaces where traditional panels might feel bulky. What really impressed me was the complete blackout performance. Unlike the light filtering option we saw earlier, this blocks 100% of outside light, which is ideal if you need total darkness for sleeping or watching movies. The high-density fabric also provides thermal insulation, so you're getting energy savings in both summer and winter. The versatility is where this really shines. You're not limited to just sliding doors. This works great as a closet cover, a room divider, or even to section off a home office area. The 98-inch width fits openings from 61 to 78 inches, and you can choose from 3 different lengths depending on your space. Installation is refreshingly simple since you're dealing with one piece instead of multiple panels or slats. The accordion design means it takes up minimal space when folded back, and the fabric is wrinkle-resistant and easy to maintain. What really convinced me was how this gives you that modern look while solving multiple privacy needs throughout your home. One consideration is that you'll want to measure carefully since the width is fixed, and some users mention upgrading the included hardware for a more polished appearance. You'll find the link in the description. Next up is the GoDear Design Blackout Sliding Vertical Blinds, and what caught my attention was the 99.99% light blocking capability. That's even more effective than the 99% option we just looked at. This cordless system uses a solid metal wand wand that's over 40 inches long for control, making it completely safe for households with kids and pets. What impressed me about this design is how the adjustable track stretches from just under 46 inches up to 86 inches, giving you serious flexibility for different door sizes without needing custom ordering. The panels are made from a blend of 40% paper and 60% polyester, which creates that impressive blackout effect while keeping the price point reasonable. You can also trim the panel height to fit your exact measurements, which is perfect for dealing with non-standard openings. The installation process is designed with DIY enthusiasts in mind, including complete mounting hardware for both wall and ceiling installation options. Unlike traditional vertical blinds, with dozens of individual slats to manage and replace, this system uses larger panels that slide smoothly to either the left or right side, depending on your room layout preference. The metal wand gives you precise control, and the panels stack neatly when you want full door access. What's even better is the thermal insulation benefit. The blackout material helps reduce heat loss during winter months and keeps rooms cooler in summer. The white fabric backing also gives you that clean, uniform appearance from the outside, which is important for maintaining your home's overall curb appeal. What really convinced me was how this combines serious light-blocking performance with genuine safety features. No cords means no worries about children or pets getting tangled up. One consideration is that the paper content in the material blend means you'll want to handle these with deliberate care, especially in busy households where they'll see frequent daily use from family members. You'll find the link in the description. Before we reveal our number one, be sure to check out the description below for the freshest deals on each of these items. And finally, number one, the CHICOLOGY vertical blinds. Blackout in 78 by 84 inches. And what immediately caught my attention was how this combines the traditional vertical blind design with modern cordless safety, something that's becoming essential for families. What I really appreciate about this system is the PVC vinyl construction. Unlike the fabric options we've seen, this material is incredibly easy to maintain. Just wipe down with a damp cloth and you're done. The 25 individual slats rotate smoothly to control light and privacy, and when you want full door access, they stack neatly to one side using the wand control system. The blackout performance is where this really shines. While we've seen other options with impressive light blocking, this delivers that room darkening capability through a proven vertical blind mechanism that many people already understand how to use. Additionally, the cordless operation eliminates those dangling cords that can be dangerous around children and pets. What's even better is the installation process. The mounting hardware is included, and you can install this either on the wall or ceiling, depending on your space requirements. The slats come ready to hang, so you're not dealing with complex assembly like some of the panel systems we looked at earlier. During testing, I noticed the smooth rotation and sliding action, especially compared to older vertical blinds that tend to stick or bind over time. The wand gives you precise control over both the slat angle and the overall position. What really convinced me was how this gives you that classic vertical blind reliability with updated safety features at a budget-friendly price point. One consideration is that some users report quality control issues with shipping, so inspect everything carefully when it arrives to ensure all slats are included and undamaged. You'll find the link in the description. Now you know exactly which blinds will solve your privacy and light control issues without the guesswork or expensive mistakes. Check the description for updated prices and full specifications. Amazon deals change constantly, so grab the best value while it's available.